So one of the major factor is tumor size. Basically, because more specifically, I should say breast versus tumor ratio. If the breast size is good, breast conservation can be tried in large tumor also. But if the breast size is a small, even 4 centimeter tumor, we cannot go breast conserving surgery. So one is breast tumor ratio. Second is the stage, that is T stage. What is the patient's tumor size? If the uh, mostly breast conservation is done in T1 and T2 tumors. If we want breast conservation in T3 or more tumors, we should first subject them to chemotherapy, neoadjuvant chemotherapy. Then only we can proceed for breast conservation. And because breast conservation therapy also includes whole breast radiotherapy. So any condition which is contraindication to radiotherapy, like many patients may have connective tissue disorders, or some patient might have received radiation already for some of the like Hodgkin's disease in their childhood. So for that treatment, if they already received radiation, or they may have connective tissue disorder, then in such cases radiotherapy is contraindicated. Another factor is pregnancy. If a patient is pregnant in his first 3 or 6 months, then we cannot give them radiotherapy because of there is a fetus risk of radiation exposure to fetus. So these are the main things. One is tumor size, that is T stage. Second is breast versus tumor ratio. Third is any contraindication to radiotherapy. And fourth is if the tumor is multicentric. Usually we divide breast into 4 quadrants. If it is involving more than one quadrant, then then breast conservation therapy is not advisable. So these are the mainly factors which determines whether patient should undergo breast conservation surgery or mastectomy. Another factor is patient's wish. As an oncologist, we offer them both. If the patient is suitable for breast conservation, we offer them breast conservation. We try to lure them into breast conservation. If most of the patients are because apprehensive about the recurrence, so a proper counseling is done regarding breast conservation. And if the patient wish is there, then definitely one should go for breast conservation.